Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you an amazing chess trap in England's gambit. Let's start it. So the white starts with its pawn, which is on d2. The black pushes its pawn front, and now the white pawn takes it. We attack the white pawn. They defend it. Now they play this move. Now we play the stunning move, queen to b4, attacking the horse. Attacking the horse, the bishop, and I said attacking the horse because if we kill the pawn which is on b2, then we can attack the horse and the rook, both attacking the bishop and even making a checkmate. They have two options: to protect it with the queen or to protect it with the bishop. If they protect it with the queen, then they are gone. Let me show you how is it done. We kill. Now their rook is in danger. They will give an exchange offer of queens. But now, to their surprise, we have the stunning move, bishop to b4. Now they are gone. Their queen is gone. And it's completely winning for black. Now again, in this position, if they block the checkmate with the bishop, then also they are gone. Let me show you how is it done. We take the same move, kill the pawn which is on b2. They keep their bishop here. Now we take out our bishop, attacking this bishop, and if he takes our bishop, then we again take it. Now for protecting the rook, they need to sacrifice this horse, and that's just a matter of time. Still they realize it, because we are targeting this pawn and even the rook, this pawn which is on 2c, and if the horse kills it, there is a checkmate and even a rook. We can kill it. So it seems to be very unpleasant for white. Okay, let's go back. In this position, if in this position, if he plays in this position, if he plays queen to d2, then they are gone. They can't take this. In this position, they can't take this black bishop, because again there will be a check. So we kill the horse. I meant like so we kill the rook, and now he cannot take the bishop, and then we are on the winning side. Like, we should be able to win from this position as when we kill the horse. Next, then it's a winning position for the black. And this is the best tricky trap and checkmate. So, good luck, and we will be able to completely defeat our opponent if he doesn't play correctly in this game. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Leave a like, please share, comment. Okay, bye. Let's see in our next video. If I get more likes and more views, I'm going to post another video of Minecraft. Please like, share and comment and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to tell you more interesting chest traps from my next videos. So for now, goodbye.